Namaste and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Puneet Amin and you're watching the first ever video to be uploaded on my adventure and thrill section. As you know, I'm a biker and traveler and an explorer, but I'm also an adventure sport lover. So on this section, I'll be uploading videos on all the adventure activities that I've done and the ones that I'm gonna do in future. So if you're not aware, I upload videos on travel, bikes, nature and more. Hence this YouTube channel is going to be very exciting and it's fairly a new YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed to it, go hit that red subscribe button. Also you will find a bell icon that is right next to it. Go hit that as you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Also follow me on my brand new Instagram handle as I'll be uploading amazing photographs from my travel. And there is going to be a voting that is going to take place on 15th August where you guys will be choosing the name that I'm going to give for my bike. And now let's begin. So in this video, I'll be bungee jumping off an 83-meter high platform. Yeah. Now as you can see on your screen, I'm in Rishikesh and the company that does this activity is called Jumping Heights. Now these guys are highly professional and well trained. So I'll put a link in the description below for their website. So here these guys do not allow your personal camera, so the footage that I've got is from their fixed camera. So this footage is just video, there is no audio. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reenact the whole situation via voiceover. So do let me know at the end of the video what do you think about the voiceover in the comment box below. So now let's get back to the footage. Here I'm all harnessed and while I take the baby steps towards the chair, let me tell you, this is India's highest bungee jump that you can do. And now the Linkin Park hat guy approaches me, shakes my hand and asks me for my name.
Hey buddy, what's your name?
Puneet.
Have you done this before?
No, this is my first time.
Are you scared?
Are you kidding? I enjoy this thing. And then the guy in the grey t-shirt starts the conversation.
Okay buddy, I heard that you are doing this for the first time. So do you have a plan how you're going to jump?
No, you tell me. Do I go straight down or what?
No, don't go straight down. Do a dive.
Oh, you mean the one that I do in the swimming pool?
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay, and that's not me talking about any woman's figure.
Oh yeah.
It's basically I was asking, what about my hands? Where do I keep it?
That doesn't matter. Keep it wherever you want. Alright, so check 1, check 2, check 3, check 4, check 5. Alright, everything looks good. You're ready to go.
And the Linkin Park guy takes over.
Alright, buddy. Get up. Start working.
Baby step, baby step, baby step.
Is the camera on? Oh yeah, it's on. Hello. Dab, 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 dab.
Alright, baby step, baby step, baby step, baby step.
Alright, stop. You don't want to fall off. Okay, that's far enough. Ready?
Wait, one more dab.
Okay, jump.
Yeah! Woo! Oh, this is so much fun!
And then you keep bouncing around for a while. And then as you can see, the guy in the orange jacket below, he grabs a pole and then tries to hand it over to you, while the guys from above rope you down. So here we go. Alright, are you ready to grab it? Yeah. Come on, grab it, got it. Alright, got it. Okay, quickly lay me down, lot of blood rush in my head. Once you grab that pole, they lay you on that grey bed and unhook you. Woo, that was a lot of fun. Okay, one question, how do I go back up again? Now, if you're wondering how you get back up from that riverbed, then there is a 10-minute trek back up to the top. And that sums up my bungee jumping experience in Rishikesh. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button. Also, comment in the comment box below of what do you think about the voiceover that I just did. And now, goodbye and see you soon.